In today's video, I'll teach you how to sign into Sam's Club Business Credit Card. For that, first of all, what you have to do is launch open any browser of your choice. You can see over here, I've opened Google Chrome. Now click on the search bar. Now what you have to do is type in this link, sams.syf.com/commercial. Press enter. Now after you do that, you can see over here, you'll be led to this kind of interface. From here, you'll be able to log into Sam's Club Business Credit Card. All you have to do is enter your user ID and password over here. What you have to do is click on the field of user ID and enter the user ID over here. If you have forgotten your user ID, you'll be able to recover it. Simply click on this option, recover your user ID. Go ahead, recover your user ID and provide the user ID over here. Now after you do that, what you have to do is enter the password. If you have forgotten the password, click on this option, reset your password, and you'll be able to reset it. Otherwise, simply enter the password over here. If you want this browser to remember you, check on this box, remember me. Now after you enter the credentials, click on the login option that you can see on the screen and you'll be logged into your account. So that is how you log in Sam's Club Business Credit Card. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.